This is maybe one of the most active rotifers I've ever found, personally. It has not stopped swimming around and searching and clinging to debris. And it is quite large. There were other rotifers on this slide that were maybe a quarter the size of this, a fifth the size of this, so this is quite big compared to the rest of the rotifers that were in this sample. And it is very active. So we're just kind of tracking it around right now. Apologize for the poor focus. If it sits still long enough, I will attempt to get a nice clean look at it. But for now, it's very busy. Whoa. Headbutting into some materials there. Oops. There we go. Just guiding this slide around by hand. Oh, I'm hoping it'll pick a spot to latch on for a little while here. That would be nice for us. Oh, my. Very active. Moving around a lot. Really attacking those debris at times. Interesting little hairs. Oh, that's a ciliate. Oh, we've almost lost the rotifer. Here it is. Well, I think you guys kind of get the point here. I don't think it's going to slow down long enough for us to look at. But hope some of you guys enjoyed getting a chance to look at this. The sample is some moss from the base of a tree trunk. It's December. It was freezing out when I got it. These things are still alive and hibernating in there. Oh, is that it? Is it gone? Did I lose it? But anyways, yeah, these aren't hard to find. And if you guys want to see more of this kind of stuff, I can be sure to find them. Oh, there he is. Look at that. He's dragging something around on his foot. Or she, actually, I guess.